Can Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas and running mate Leni Robredo clinch the support of Quezon City, home to over 1.1 million voters? History says it's a long shot. Quezon City and the rest of Metro Manila are traditionally opposition bailiwicks. Surveys say both Rojas and Robredo are weak in the National Capital Region, home to over 6.2 million voters. Rojas lost in Quezon City by a slim margin when he ran for vice president in 2010. But the ruling party is confident 2016 will be different.
Harap-harapan lahat tayo ngayon dito. Straight po tayo, LP candidates national, President Mar Rojas, Vice President Leni Robredo at lahat ng 12 senador po natin. Wala akong sasalikwat sa inyo. Sinabi na sa akin ni Cesar, sinabi na sa akin ng presidente ng District 2, sinabi na sa akin ng presidente ng mga kagawad sa lahat ng distrito, tatrabaho tayo, sisiguraduhin nating mananalo ang Mar Rojas, Leni Robredo slate dito sa Quezon City.
Almost all officials here, from the city mayor, district representatives, to most of the city council, are members of the Liberal Party. Robredo makes a pitch for barangay officials, a bill that would extend their terms and increase their benefits.
Yung asawa ko po napakatagal na mayor ng Naga. Halos 19 years po, 6 na term siyang mayor. At nakita po namin na hindi magiging ganap yung asenso ng isang bansa pag hindi talaga palakasin yung mga barangay.
LP Vice Chairman and House Speaker Sonny Belmonte says these local officials and barangay officials will be key. Most of them are running unopposed, then they'll have time to focus on the national race. Bea Cupin, Rappler, Quezon City.